He's here too. We got a little bit to go on this roof. It is on this float. Got going the box Chevy on the Ruchies. Them Ruchies. But main objective is to fix all the high and low spots. We got a little bit left. Got tack weld this a little bit right up in there. And then just make it smooth while we're around before we put the full top on it and the headliner. Then she good to go. Y'all be sure to follow me. Got some more pictures and videos on the way. Videos on the save and shit.
Yes, put the bar here. So the living room and the kitchen is like one big open space.
Nice.
Yes. All 4 units and do the same thing. I gotta put this on.
Okay, did you own this place yet?
Soon.
La renta se debe el jueves.
La renta
Se
debe
el jueves.
el jueves.
Sí,
Sí.
sí.
Sí. So if you had some money, what would you do? Pay a loan.
Yeah, I would definitely do that first.
What about your art? Would you do your art?
Yeah, I would make art.
All right, we back. Let's see. It's about 4:12 in the morning. Who does this on a Sunday morning? Who else but me? But anyway, besides that, back to installing the top. We got to finish it up. We got to tuck this around the edge here, around the back windshield. Gonna clean the windshield. Of course, when we get completely done, all this excess glue gonna be off once we get completely done. Pretty much right now, just go around the edges, make sure they're in place. Make my fold on both sides, this side and this side. Around the front windshield, cut the excess off, tuck it in there, glue it. Let's see, cut around here where the sunroof go, and then tuck it on the inside and install the sunroof. That's pretty much it, guys. I already got this piece wrapped up. That goes right there, right across there. So let's go around here, trim it up. Right now, just waiting for the glue to just settle down, make sure it's tacked real good before I go a little bit further. So I can see everything, make sure it's glued. Do all that, cut my excess off. Like I said, make my fold on this side. Cut the excess, going around there. That's pretty much it. Then once I complete this, start on the headliner. Let's see. My headliner somewhere, but that's pretty much it. I'll be back in a minute. Got it outside the shop, going over everything. Check out the new headliner. The original board all crinkled up, couldn't use it. So I made another board to go up there. Wrap the side pieces, of course, some match. It's a shade. There's one on the front and the back. She got the stitching on the sun visors. Turned out pretty decent. Turned out real decent. And as you notice, I'm not for sure we're gonna do about a third light yet, but I'm sure it won't take much to figure something out for it. But we got the job done what it came in for. There's no sunroof button right there in the middle. What I did, I wired it up right there. Little factory done. Yeah, so we don't have just up there by itself. We just have it sitting right here in the dash. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Got the Ruchis. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. just the overall look. Going around it again. Make sure everything look good. We'll have the wheels cleaned up for y'all, but it's kind of muggy out here. Real muddy too. It's been raining a lot lately. Almost flooding this area. But we outside today. And this Caprice ready for the customer to pick up. I think it turned out pretty good. All right, I'll catch y'all on the next one.